Now it says going live now. I'm live. It says I'm live. Hello.
Okay, let me refresh.
Hello. 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 Are you back? Hello. Have I got you back?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello, hello?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Okay, I see you now.
Hey, what happened then? Well done. I've got one person back. Can you hear? I can hear you. Yay. Oh, good. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? No, I can't hear me. Can you hear me now? I did have mute on, but I've taken that off. Can you hear me? Yay. Good, good, good. I had the mute off because I was on the phone just trying to liaise with my company to sort it out. So I've got a few people in here who have joined. Hello. Good. Thank you for joining. And we're just going to send the link over into the old chat about the new video that we're going to carry on. Internet. Well done. Hello. Good, good, good. Hello, hello. Welcome back. The internet is very poorly at the moment. Maybe it's just in this area, but a few of you said that it was lagging. So I am very sorry. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, okay, okay. Good, 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 good. Let us get back to what we were doing because I have got some friends that I wanted to introduce you to today. So it's good you're here. Right. A bit laggy, but we're here. I don't think the connection is great today. So although we've got internet back, I think is a bit dodgy. But let's just crack on. Well done. Thank you so much for jumping over. You are so great. You are absolutely amazing. Such fantastic students. You're there waiting. You cross over when something happens. You've changed days. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I absolutely am so impressed. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. Okay, so as we're joining, let's carry on where we were. So I had an array out here. So I'm going to drop down again and show you the array. Okay, so here we go. There's the array. So can you write for me the two multiplication equations that will go with that array? I want both of them, okay? The two multiplication arrays that will go with that equation. Can you write both of them, please? Can you write the two multiplication equations that will go with that array? There are two of them. Think about your columns. How many columns have you got? And how many are in each column? How many rows have you got? And how many are in each row? Okay. How many columns have you got? And how many rows? And how many are in those columns? And how many are in the rows? To give you two different multiplication equations. Okay. So if you are counting the columns first, you have got 1, 2, 3 columns, and each column has 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are counting the rows, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and each row has got 1, 2, 3 in them. So the two multiplication equations that you could have are either 3 times 4 or 4 times 3. Now, I have got some friends coming to my party. Okay, I have got some friends coming to my party. Here they are, in they come. Here are my friends. Okay. Now I've already looked at this array. Okay. I've already looked carefully at this array. Just going to check what you can see on there. Just check. Yeah, you can see now, can't you? All my friends, there's a little pinky in there as well. Yeah. I have got some friends coming. These are now really, really nice biscuits. And although they're very big compared to my friends have very big appetites. So I've already looked at these arrays and I know that there are 3 groups of 4 or 4 groups of 3. If I want each of my friends to have an equal number of cookies, how many will they get each? If I want my friends to get an equal number of cookies, how many will they get each? How many will they get each? If I want my friends to get an equal number of cookies, how many will they get each? How many will they get each? Well, there's your cookies. There's your cookies. There's your cookies. And there's your cookies. So they will get 3 each. Can you write for me, please, the division, the sharing equation that shows that? How would you write that as a maths equation? How would you write that as a maths equation? How would you write that as a maths equation? How would you write that as a maths equation? Okay, so I'm just trying to buffer up onto my other screen so that I can see you carefully. Okay, write the division equation for me now, please. Write the division equation. Yeah, they will get 3 each. You're absolutely right. So 4 friends, you're quite right. What's the division equation? What will you start with? Fantastic. I've just seen the first one come through. That is accurate. Well done. I've just seen the first one come through. That is accurate. Okay, let's have a little look. Yep. So, well done if you wrote this. Okay, I know some of you are struggling to find a division sign. That's fine. You can use the /. So there were 12 cookies. That's how many I had. Okay, that's what I started with, 12. They were going to be shared between 4 people. There's my 4 people. There's my 4 people. And that meant they got 3 each. Okay, that meant they got 3 each. So now I have another party and I have 3 people. So now I only have 3 friends. How many cookies will those 3 people get? How many cookies will those 3 people get? And please write the division equation that now shows this. That now shows this. That now shows this. What's the division equation? 12 cookies, 3 friends. What's the division equation? Can you write it for me, please? What's the division equation? Okay, simply put the answer. I want you to write the division equation for me. What's the division equation? Okay, so let's have a little look. Okay, if you can't find a division equation on your keyboard, you have to write the sort of / or just do a dash. If you haven't got that division, just do a dash with a full stop after it. Okay, or / I can see. So we have got 12 and we are sharing them amongst 3 people. So they get 4 or 4 lots of 3. I can share 12 by 3, 12 by 4 to link in with these. 12 divided by 4 is 3 because 4 3s are 12. And that's what we have to use. That's what we have to use. Our tables will help us with our sharing. Our tables will help us with our sharing. So I'm going to put another array out for you. And I would like you, please, to write the 2 multiplication equations for this array and the 2 division equations. The 2 multiplication equations and the 2 division equations. Oh, somebody's found a very nice emoji divide. Yay! Very nice. What are the 2 multiplication equations and the 2 division equations from that array? I'm going to write them here. Let me see. Oh, I spelled division wrong. Oh, no, I just didn't dot that I there. That is a V. There we go. So I'm going to write mine here. Thank you for telling me that. Okay. So I want the 2 multiplication and the 2 division ones, please. So I'm going to do mine here. Two multiplication and 2 division. Two multiplication and 2 division. Okay, I can see some division, I can see some multiplication. Oh, well done. Very nice organization there. All the 4 ones coming in straight away. All the 4 ones coming in straight away. Okay, calm. Okay, there we are. Just move that down a little bit so maybe that you can see. Okay, so you might have done these on paper. I don't mind. Some of you I know like to work on paper and you don't want to put your answers in the chat, and that's absolutely fine. Oh, I'm glad the person who struggled with the browser has sorted that out. Well done. Lovely to have you back. Child of ex-pupil. Hello. So these are the 4 equations that you can write from this array. These are the 4 equations. So let's have a little look. So we have got 3 rows of 5. 3 times 5. We have got 5 columns of 3. 5 times 3. There are 15 in total. That 15 can be shared into 3. That's the rows, which gives 5 in each row. That 15 can be shared into 5 equal groups with 3 in each group. Yay. Give yourselves a big yay. Did you get those 4 equations? Give me a nice big emoji if you got those 4 equations. Give me a nice big emoji if you got those 4 equations, please. Yay, 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 yay. Okay. Okay. Brilliant. I've got another little problem I want you to think about now, and I've got to make sure that you can see all of these. So 3 pots, each with 4 pencils, okay? 3 pots, each with 4 pencils. Which number sentences are correct? I've got some number sentences at the bottom. Now, I don't mind whether you say, oh, wrong. I'm just going to pull that up a little bit because now you know the top so you can see the bottom bit again. Okay, nice smileys. Thank you. Nice smileys. So I don't mind whether you put the ones that are correct and you say correct and then you list them, or you put these are wrong and you list those. I want to know which are correct. Okay, so put a tick by the ones that you think are correct. Put a cross, or you can say correct and list them. So here we have 3 pots of pencils with 4 pencils in each pot. Looking at these, which are correct? Which could you write as a mathematical representation here? And it would still give you the correct answer. Which would you say are correct? Have a look at those. Which are correct and which are not? So is it 12 shared by 3 gives 4? Is it 12 equals 4 lots of 3? 3 divided by 4 is 12. 3 equals 12 shared by 4. 3 times 12 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. There are some very, very wrong maths equations in there. Very, very wrong maths equations. Can you find them? Can you find them? Something going on in there that is very wrong. Can you find them? Can you find them? Yeah? Look, little Pinky's going to come and have a little look. Ooh. Oh, my cool friend here. Joe's going to come and have a little look. He's very good at maths. Just looking at those equations. Look at that one. Have a look at that one. Have a look at that one. Have a look at that one. Okay. So let us have a little look at what is right and what is wrong, what is correct. So 12 shared into 3 equal groups gives 4. Well, that is correct. There are 12 in total. When they are shared into 3 equal groups, you get 4 in each one. So that is correct. 12 is 4 times 3. Well, 12 is 4 times 3. And although there are 3 lots of 4 there, we know we can swap it over. So yeah, 12 is 4 lots of 3. So that is also correct. 3 shared amongst 4. Well, let's just try that. There's my 4 people. There's 3 big blueberry muffins coming up. There's 4 people. There's 3 blueberry muffins. If I share those amongst my friends, do they get 12 each? Well, no, Miss Nicole, they don't even get 1 each. So actually, no. 3 divided by 4 would actually be less than 1. We'd be into decimals there. Less than 1. No, that is not correct, Miss Nicole. That cannot happen. 3 is 12 divided by 4. Oh, there's 12 divided into 4s gives you 3. Doesn't matter if the 3's at that end. Yes, thank you, Miss Nicole. That is right. 3 times 12 is 4. So if I had 3 lots of 12, well, let's get 1 lot of 12 out. Oh, I've already gone over 4. Well, if 1 lot of 12 is greater than 4, then 3 lots of 12 cannot be 4. That cannot be possible. 3 4s. Well, there's 1 4, there's 2 4s, there's 3 4s equals 12. Yes. So how did you get along? Give me some nice big yay, yay, yays. If you got that, give me some nice big yay, yay, yays. If that made sense to you, could you please give me some nice big yay, yay, yays? Give me some nice big yay, yay, yays. Let me see who got on well with that one. Let me see who got on well with that one. Yeah? Yay, 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 yay. Okay, all right, so got most of them except one of them. So just be careful. Good. The whole point of this is to practice. Keep your minds alert. Keep you thinking about what you're doing in maths so you don't forget all that lovely learning you've been doing at school. So let's have a look at these maths equations and let's see if you can work out the partners. So I've labeled these equations with letters A, B, C, D, and I've labeled these equations with numbers. So can you match them up like A2, B4? No, they're not the answers. Who are the partners? Who are the partners? Okay, don't worry if you got one wrong. The whole point of being together here is to learn. Who are the partners? Now, let's have a look if we can get that. If I lift that up a little bit, can we just increase how much we can see here? Yeah, looks like we've got everything in there. Who are the partners? Who are the partners? Okay. Who are the partners? Who are the partners? Yeah, and I still need to zoom out a little bit. Let's just push you back a little bit to get you with a bit more room. Let's just see if we can see everything. Let's put you in there and you in there. Okay, I think we have got everybody in there. Might need to make them a little bit smaller in future to get everyone in. Are we getting a little bit better? I think we've got everybody in there now. Okay, just about. I can put this up on the whiteboard on the easel, but I think we've got everybody on there now. So who are the partners? Who does A go with over here? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Who does B go with over here? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Who does C go with? Who does D go with? Ah, somebody has said 3 and D. Let me look at that. So D is 4 lots of 3 is 12. 12 shared by 4 is 3. Quite right. So we have got a link there. D and 3 go together. Let's have another idea. Okay. C and 4. C and 4. There's C. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 9 nines are 81. Exactly. 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 81 shared into 9 groups, give you 9 in each group, because 9 lots of 9 is 81. They are linked. Come on then, what we got here? Oh, somebody, come on, let's have some different ideas coming up. You might be doing this at home. You might be doing this on paper. You might not feel brave enough to put your ideas in. Okay, somebody, ooh, nice job. Somebody's put all of them in there. B and, well, I don't think it's going to be B and 3. B and 1. Okay, let's have a little look. 20 shared into groups of 5 will give you 4 in each group, because 5 lots of 4 is 20. Quite right. Those times table help you do that division, which leaves us with one partner that has not been done. 3 fours are 12. 12 shared into 3 groups would give you 4 in each group, because 3 fours are 12. Absolutely. So once we know our tables, we can share by any of those number facts. Once we know our tables, we can share by any of those number facts. Give me some emojis. How did you do there? How did you do with linking those together? How did you do with linking those together? Yep, good, good, good. Lots of nice emojis, lots of nice emojis. Okay. So once again, I have huge thanks to give you for being patient while we had a little glitch error with the naughty Wi-Fi again. Thank you so much for coming back today after the Wi-Fi letting us down yesterday. There's obviously still a few little problems. And thank you so much for then jumping over on the other link. Oh, I'm loving those emojis. So we today have looked at how we can use our tables to help us with our sharing. We're going to do a little bit more work on that on Tuesday, and we're going to do some problems. I've got some problems. So once we've done a little bit of practice of your understanding, we're going to do all problems, tricky problems on Tuesday, using our tables to help us with our understanding of sharing and pulling those two things together. So practice your tables. You know, something you can do is just to absolutely do your counting, 2s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, do random facts and see how quick you can be. Okay, keep those up. I know some of you might have apps that help you. We're working on one though, an app that will help you so you don't lose that really quick recall. Because remember what Miss Nicole says, that quick recall, you have to have it in your head, not have to think about it at all. 7 7s, 49. I don't have to think about it. If I do, oh, what's it again? It stops me thinking about what the problem is. Okay. So we're going to do some 2 steps, 3 steps, tricky brain work on Tuesday. So Rexy says, well done. And I say, well done. Let me just turn off this little light so we can appreciate this a bit better. Let's have a look. Here we go. Woo, woo, woo. Well done, my chickadees. Been really lovely to see you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will see you on Tuesday. I will see you at Tuesday at 11 o'clock. We've made them a little bit later because we don't want to interfere with Joe Wicks for our first lesson. We want people to be able to do their PE and have time to get that first lesson. So that's why we've made them all a little bit later. So well done. It's been lovely to see you. I will see you next Tuesday. Oh, Thursday. It's only Tuesday today. No, it's Thursday today. Oh my God, it's Friday. See, I've got all I have to think because we've changed our days. I will see you next Tuesday. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Stay safe. Thank you for spending time. Great maths thinking today. Absolutely great maths thinking today. Okay, well, the homework will come out in the chat. Do have a look at the problems we're sending out. There'll be a link to them in the chat, and we will also send them as an attachment to your grown-ups with the follow-up email. And you can share those problems you can share with anybody to get their minds thinking as well. Been lovely spending the time with you. Thank you once again, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye.